Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix YouTube running slow and freezes on your mobile. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your YouTube is running slow or freezing while playing the videos on your Android mobile, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to make sure that your YouTube app is up to date. Just open the Play Store, then search for YouTube. If your app is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, then go back. Then you have to long press on your YouTube icon. You can see your first option, app info. Tap on that. You can see your storage and cache. Tap on this. Once tap on clear cache. After that, here you will find clear storage. If you tap clear storage, all your offline saved videos in your YouTube application will be removed and your YouTube account will be logged out. If you know your YouTube user ID and password, then tap on clear storage, then tap on delete. Then close this window, and once you need to check whether your internet connection is working properly or not. And after completion of this, once you have to restart your mobile. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way, you can fix YouTube running slow and freezing problem on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.